You can now earn cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and the likes from anywhere you are around the world without investing any dime you have. Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Shekib, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining a cool new strategy I just found out that is going to be helping you earn cryptocurrency online, like the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and the likes. It even has Tron and new cryptocurrencies that you can earn from. And also, guys, you can try this from anywhere you are around the world without investing any money. You don't need to invest any money to this. You are going to be gaining money from this and not to be investing any money. So guys, stick with me to the very end of the video, because I'm not just going to be implementing the what is stated in the video, but I'm also going to be explaining everything that you need to understand or work with this strategy. Now guys, since you guys are not going to be investing any money online, or you're not going to be investing any money in this strategy, I have three different apps or software or programs that you're going to be working with, or sites, let's just call it sites that you're going to be working with. And guys, in this site, you're going to be completing some tasks, and I'm not going to be giving you complex tasks. These are tasks that are very easy, and they are tasks that you are going to be enjoying, either like playing games and watching cool videos online and the likes, guys. So guys, the very first site I'm going to be showing you is called encrypto.com, and I'm going to be showing you in the screen right now. This is the very first site we are going to be using. This is encrypto.com, and guys, you can see it here. And one other thing I want you guys to see is also they have a lot of cryptocurrencies they can pay you from. They have Dogecoin, they have Bitcoin, they have Tron, they have Ethereum, and the likes. You can see Digibyte also, you can see Raven. They have a lot of coin they can pay you from. And guys, I also went ahead to check out the review for you guys. You can see it. It said many users have cashed out successfully, not only in Bitcoin but other cryptocurrencies as well. So you can see they said Reddit users also state that encrypto is a legit site. And guys, there are also some negative review, but it's normal. There's no how you can get something good and you will not see something negative about it. So, and guys, you can see this one also. It said yes, N crypto is a legit gbt site and it does pay you for completing their offer. So one thing I also like about this site is that it has no threshold limit. That is, you don't have to reach a certain target before you can withdraw your money. Immediately you are completing the task, you can withdraw it instantly. So you can see it here. They said instantly receive your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, and they send it to your personal wallet or your personal exchange. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be registering on the platform. All you just have to do is to click the join, and if you have an account with them, you can click the login. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the join. It's loading now. You can see it's telling me to choose a username, so I'll feed this, and I'll feed this now. So guys, I just feed in my details, and you can see it here, unshakable, and that's my mail. And I'm going to be clicking the sign up now. So I'm in now. You can see it, guys, and you can, this is how it looks like. And say welcome to earn crypto, and to begin earning you have to select the coin you want to earn on the balance page. So I'm just going to be going to the balance page now, and let's see. Now you can see it here, the balance page. Okay, now you can select any coin, you can see. And let me just select any coin here. Let's just use Bitcoin. You can see, let's use Bitcoin. So I've set it as my main coin that I'm going to be using. You can also set some low coins like let's just say ARC. You can just choose anyone you want. This Dogecoin here, so you can set it as main. So I'm done now. I'm going to be going back to the earn Bitcoin. Now you can see you can either earn offers, you see complete surveys, told you install apps, you see data entry, also complete jobs. Now guys, I didn't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to be removing some parts. But guys, the second site we are going to be using today is going to be cryptobrowser.site. So you are going to be checking it now in the screen. I'm going to be showing you right now. Now guys, this is the second site we are going to be using. You can see it here, crypto tab. And guys, I know a lot of people are familiar with this. This is a browser, or is a browser that can help you mine Bitcoin as you surf the web. So all you just have to do is to, you can see it here, it has a built-in mining feature. And all you just have to do is to click the download button at this place, so to get or install the app. And guys, to access this, you have to type in cryptobrowser.site. That is going to take you to this page where you are seeing here. And also guys, it has a new NFT mining that allows you to mine Bitcoin and exchange it for NFTs. And you know, NFTs are one of the big things that the world is jumping into. And it also works for all devices. You can see the desktop here, the laptop, and also your mobile device. It works for all devices. And guys, if you want to earn faster on this crypto tab browser, I advise you to go for the cloud boost. That's going to help you earn up to 15 times your mining power. You can see it here. So I'm going to be showing you. You can see mine 300 times faster with cloud boost. You can do it on your mobile or your desktop. You can see. So I'll just advise you, you can go for cloud boost in case you want to increase your mining power here. Now guys, we are done with the second site, and I just had to include crypto tab browser because it's a popular site that is going to be helping you mine Bitcoin without doing anything for the site. All you just have to do is to set it up, browse on the site, and it's going to be mining Bitcoin passively for you. So that's why I had to include it guys. And the third site we are going to be using, or I'm going to be showing to you today, is going to be TV2. And I'm going to be showing you in the screen right now. This is the third and the last site we are going to be checking out today, tv2.com. You can see it up above. And this is an entertainment ecosystem on the blockchain. And it's available on Samsung TV, LG TV. It's available for iOS device and also for Android devices. So guys, this works on all your devices. It even works on TV. And guys, they have big brands that they are in partnership with, like the 28th Century Fox, Nexus, and crypto.com. You can even see the Delta here. And guys, what you're going to be doing on this site is to be watching videos. And per video that you watch, just like you can see it here, you're going to be earning coins and points that they are going to be exchanging to Ethereum, and they are going to be using to get you paid. And guys, you can see other brands they also work with. They work with Forbes and the likes. So what is TV2? You can see it here. All you are going to be doing is to lean back, watch video, and enjoy content. Now they have a lot of content creators here. You can see they have the 20th Century Fox. They have 20th Century Fox and a lot of content creators on this site. So guys, when you watch the videos, you are going to be earning cryptos. And also to boost your earning, you can also complete tasks on the site, so the app. Now to install this, in case you have an Android or iOS device, all you just have to do is to click the iOS or Android, just click any of them and it's going to direct you. You can see it just directed me to the Google Play, where I'm going to be. You can see they have 1 million plus download, and all it takes is 27 MB. So guys, I want you guys to download this app, check this app out, watch videos on it instead of watching videos on other sites. Watch videos on this because it's going to be getting you paid in cryptocurrencies, and you're going to be catching out from it instantly. So guys, this is the end of the video, and those are the 3 sites you can use, or 3 platforms you can use to earn cryptocurrencies from anywhere you are around the world without investing a dime. And guys, it's your boy Unshakable, and I'm dedicated to helping a lot of people make money online in this year 2022 and even the years to come. And guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, because this is going to help me to reach out to a lot of people that needs my help. And also guys, please click on any of the video that is going to be popping up now, because I'm going to be showing you some strategies that I'm trying out or I'm about to try out. So guys, see you in the next video.